Hey guys, this is Vibhav and you're watching Vibstech, and in this video I will review Xiaomi's new beard trimmer. Xiaomi is trying to take home and accessories space in India, and few months before company has launched its Mi trimmer. And I used it for test it out for you guys and share my thoughts about it. So let's see if this is any good compared to Philips or any other popular brand at the price of Rs 1200. A trimmer is something a lot of guys buy, and Xiaomi beard trimmer has something interesting specifications which will relate to premium beard trimmers. In the box, you do get a document which basically tells you a few different types of beard styles. Also a user guide so you can use it effectively, like attach and detach of combs and use other settings. The box is laid out in a dual style fashion, and here you will get trimmer and rest of the accessories. Xiaomi has included a trimmer carrying case inside the box, which is really nice. You also get a Type A charging cable which you can plug anywhere with any charger or any USB port, and it will charge the trimmer. You also get two combs with this, and one is already attached with the trimmer. You also get a cleaning brush which is standard with any beard trimmer. Now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. This is the Mi trimmer, and it is very nice looking trimmer. It has the matte finish and the gripping of this trimmer is quite good. Overall, the build quality of this trimmer gives it a nice premium look. On the bottom it has the charging port. The trimmer has 20 settings and you can change it starting from 0.5 mm all the way up to 20 mm. So you have up to 40 settings for the beard length. With the small comb it starts from 0.5 mm to 1, 1.5 to 2, and it goes on up to 10 mm. And from 10.5 to 20 you can use the other comb. Now if you charge the trimmer for 5 minutes, you can use the trimmer for about 10 minutes. It takes about 2 hours to charge it fully, but once it is fully charged, you can use it about 90 minutes, which is pretty good. As this uses USB cable to charge the trimmer, you can also use the power bank to charge this trimmer. And this is pretty handy if you are on the go and want to charge the trimmer. And it has the LED light indicator to show you the battery status. It has a stainless steel blade which is self-sharpening and have a 0.5 mm precision which allows various sizes to use the trimmer. Another cool feature is the travel lock. So if you press the power button for 3 seconds, it will lock the trimmer. So if you have kept it in your bag, it will not turn on itself, which will save the battery and any kind of damage. The trimmer is completely water resistant with IPX7 fully washable body, so you can wash it without worrying about any kind of damage. Trimmer is available on Mi website and Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description below for the best buy. For the price of Rs 1199, it's an amazing trimmer. If you compare with other brands, what Xiaomi is offering at this price is really worth buying. This was my review of Mi beard trimmer. Hope you have liked the video. If you did, show your support by liking this video, and for future videos, subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Goodbye.